Welcome to Tech Venture Kids Code Club. Today we're going to make a Dash robot from Wonder run a race. Let's get started. Find the app on your tablet called Wonder. Tap it to open. Wait for the flashing triangle or arrow. Tap that. Once your home page opens, we're again going to look for the words free play. Once you find those words, tap on them, and then tap on the plus sign to open a new project. We're ready to start. Connect your robot. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Be sure your robot is turned on before you do this. Once your robot is located, tap the picture of the robot to connect. Once you're connected, you'll go back to the main screen. You'll see a picture of your robot in the top right corner instead of the plus sign. You'll remember that we have a small picture of the robot on the screen that tells us where to start. For this project, we want several things to happen in order. We want red lights to turn on, and then we want your robot to make a brave sound. You choose what that will be. Then a green light should come on. These things all happen automatically. Notice that the arrows are all pointing forward from the start. Next, we want to make Dash play a sound like a tire squeal or an engine revving so that we know he's ready to race. Find your sound behavior and drag it up to the screen after the green light. Connect the green light to the sound cue. This time, we are going to do something different. We're going to tell Dash when to make that sound. We don't want to use the automatic cue, so tap it. This will open a new menu of cues. Remember, cues tell your robot when to do the next thing. We're looking for the one that looks like this. There's a small squiggly white line in front of and behind the robot. This cue tells us to wait until something, an obstacle, is seen in front of the robot. Do you see these three yellow shapes in front of the robot picture? That tells us where the robot will be looking to see something. If we tap the outer edge and make 6 yellow squares or shapes in front of our robot, the robot will be looking further ahead. In this case, we want the robot to be looking for your hand or a starting flag to let him know that he can do the next thing. Let's tap on this wait until obstacle in front is detected cue to add it to our program before the sound of the tires or engine. Your program now reads, when you start, turn on a red light, automatically play a brave sound, switch to a green light, and make the tire squeal sound only after something is seen in front of you. In this case, place your hand down in front of the robot. Make sure your hand is turned sideways like a karate chop, and then move it away. Your robot should now make the sound. Did it work? Great. We're now ready to add the last part, which is making the robot move. Find the move block and be sure to get the one that says move to and choose a distance. 80 centimeters is the furthest you can set it. This time will connect the sound to the move using a cue that says, wait until you're done making the sound before you do the next thing, which is move. Tap on the cue that appears when you connect sound to move. And this time, we're going to look for the cue that has zeros in the center of it, the blue circle. This is your instant cue. This says that your robot will make the sound when a hand is in front of it, and when it's done making the sound, it will move forward fast for 80 centimeters. Try adding a loop so that your dash will continue to race each time it sees an obstacle or a flag in front of it.